video of Dan Does It. Today we're going to be going through Packet Tracer 2.9.2 Basic Switch and End Device Configuration. So let's jump right into it. I took a screenshot over here of the addressing table and the topology just because I feel like that makes it a little bit easier. So go ahead and do that if you want to. If not, you can scroll back later. So let's get started. Step 1. Set up the network topology. Connect the two switches with an Ethernet cable. So we'll go over to our cables, select that copper straight through, and then if we're looking at our topology, we're going from Fast Ethernet 01 to Fast Ethernet 01. Step 2, connect the PCs to their respective switches using both console and Ethernet cables. So let's click on our copper straight through, and we can see it's going from the Fast Ethernet on PCA to the Fast Ethernet port 06 to 06. Let's do PCB. We can see from the Fast Ethernet on PCB to Fast Ethernet 18. So Fast Ethernet 0, Fast Ethernet 0/18. And next we'll set up our console cables. Click on PCA, the RS-232. Connect that to the console port. Select that console cable one more time, click on PCB, click the RS-232, we're going to the console cable on switch 2. So there is our network topology. We have all green arrows here, which signifies everything thus far looks good. So let's go ahead and move on to step 2, configure PC host. Configure the IP address information on the PCs. So we'll click on PCA, go to the desktop tab, click IP configuration, and for PCA, that will be our IP address, 192.168.1.10. Subnet mask, click on it, and it should fill it in correctly for you. 255.255.255.0. That is good, so we can go ahead and close that. And close PCA. Let's go ahead and do PCB. So click on the desktop tab, then the IP configuration. And now we're looking at PCB, which will be 192.168.1.11. Click on the subnet mask, and that is correct, 255.255.255.0. So we can close that, and close PCB for now. Next, test network connectivity with the ping command. So let's set this all up. Console into the switch. So we'll go to PCA. Go to the desktop tab if you're not already there, and then click terminal. Select OK. Press enter. It wants us to go to the global configuration mode, so we'll type enable config T. Here we are. Give the switch a name according to the addressing table, so that will be host name. This switch is S1, so capital S1. S1, because that is the one that is connected to PCA, and we're on PCA right now. B, prevent unwanted DNS lookup, so that is going to be no IP domain dash lookup. Press enter there. use class as the privilege exec password. So we'll type enable secret class. Use Cisco as the password for console access. So we'll type line console 0. Press enter. And then password Cisco. Type the login command, and we can exit out of that. Configure and enable the SVI according to the addressing table. So from here, we're going to go to interface VLAN 1, because that is the interface set up here. Press enter. We'll go IP address for S1 is right there. So that will be 192.168.1.1 space 255.255.255.0. Press enter. Type the no shutdown command. There we go. The state is up. And we can exit out of that now. Next one, enter the banner. So banner MOTD $. This is a secure network. Authorized access only exclamation mark, and put the $, so it knows we're done. Press enter. That is good. Save the configuration, so we'll type exit, press enter, and then copy run start command. Then press enter. That is good. Display the status of the connected interfaces. So we'll do, or display the current configuration. So we'll do show run. You can see we have our secret password, no IP domain lookup. We have our banner, we have our IP address here, and we have our password for the line console. So that's good. Next one, display the status of the connected interfaces on the switch. That will be show IP interface brief command. And here, so we're on PCA connected to S1. If we look at our topology, we know that port 06 and 01 will be the up ones. Let's take a look here. Point 01 is up, protocol unassigned, 06 up and unassigned, and then VLAN 1 is this IP address right here. So that goes into your table over here if you'd like to fill that out. The 18, Fast Ethernet port 18 is down for S1, down and down. So let's go ahead and move on to PCB and switch to. So we can close that. Click on PCB, click on desktop tab if you're not there, and then terminal. Select OK. And we'll start right at the top. Enter global configuration mode. So we'll type enable config T. Give the switch a name according to the address table, which ours is S2. So host name S2. Press enter. Prevent unwanted DNS lookup. That will be no IP domain dash lookup. Step 3, use class as the privilege exec password. So enable secret class, press enter. E is use Cisco as the password for the console access. So we'll type line console 0, password Cisco, type the login command, and then the exit command. From here, it wants us to configure the SVI. So we're looking at interface, VLAN 1, and we'll do IP address. Now we're looking at S2, so that's going to be that one, 192.168.1.2 space 255.255.255.0. Type that in, the no shutdown command, and now it is change state to up, so that's good. Press enter one more time, and then we can exit out of that. Next, it wants us to make a banner, so type banner, MOTD, $. This is a secure network, authorized access only, and put a $sign at the end again. Press enter. Save the configuration, so we'll exit out of here. We'll do the copy run start command. Press enter. Display the current configuration, so we'll do the show run. We have our enable secret, no IP domain lookup. Press the space bar. Have our banner, we have our IP address, and our line console password. So that looks good. Next, display the status of the connected interfaces. So that will be show IP interface brief. And now just looking at the topology again here, we're going to the S2 switch, so we're going to have the port 01 and the port 018 up, which is for over here when you're filling in your table. The 01 will be up and unassigned. The 018 will be up and unassigned. The port F06 should be down and down, and our VLAN should be up with our IP address. So let's take a look. So the F01 is up and unassigned. The 06 is down and down. The 18 is up and unassigned. Press the space bar. We have our VLAN 1. Status is up, and our IP address for the protocol. So that looks correct. And then from PC, ping S1 and S2. So let's go here. PCB, go into command prompt, and let's ping S1, which is 192.168.1.1. There we go, got our replies. Let's ping switch 2, which will be ping 192.168.1.2. And from a switch, ping PCA. So we should be able to go here, click on our switch, go to our CLI, press enter, and let's ping PCB. So ping 192.168.1.11. Success rate is 100%. And that is the end of this packet tracer. I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.